Okay, so I have this sprinkler timer, battery operated. Been using it for a couple of years, and yesterday just noticed some leaking, and I realized that the valve here is cracked. I'll see the crack line there. So it's no good. It started a leak, so I have to take it down. I have not opened it up and take a look how to repair it, but let's open it up and take a look and see if anything I can do to have it replaced and repair. These kind of valves is pretty useful for simple sprinkler thing that you can just hook it up to the the outdoor faucet well, and you can into a drip system. Very useful, but I can't believe this one particular one is only lasts about 2 years. I have the other, actually been using it for a long time without any problem. So hopefully I can have this repair. Maybe open it up and take a look how this valve, I can just replace it. So, project for today. Okay, so after you open it up, that's what it looks like inside. So you hold it with 5 screws. And the design seems to be pretty simple. This looks like a solenoid control the valve. So the water come in here based on the timer. It's gonna open and close. The bad news is I don't seem to have an easy way to just replace this area. This looks like glue shot in the manufacturing So I mean, obviously I can try to glue this back too with some I don't know, some kind of epoxy or something, but probably not. I'm gonna cut this open and remove this connector in here and see if I can feed a new PVC type of connector here and get this done with. That will probably make more sense to have it permanently repaired. Alright, so let's see if I can just take a look. Yeah, the plastic is really weak. Alright, maybe I should use a saw or something. I don't want to break this, break that, just this. Okay. This color in here is a little bit more difficult to remove than I expected. I'm gonna see if I can just cut it open. Alright, got it out. Taking a little bit more effort than I really hoped, and it's pretty. The color is really well built. Not the top part plastic there, it's just cracked it, right? So I have this open, and finally, it's just taking a lot of time. Just take your time and cutting away. Now I have this piece in here. I will be able to mount a pipe there. Okay guys, so I just took a trip to the hardware store and got a couple of PVC parts to fix this guy here. This one is 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch male, and this one is just 3/4 inch swivel. The reason I need this piece actually, because my faucet is actually very close to the wall, and if I put the timer in here, I would never be able to screw into the faucet there, so I need this piece. So maybe you can get away without buying one of these if your faucet is not that close to the wall, you have enough space there. Or I was looking for something that have a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch swivel, but they just don't have it. Ironically, this is actually also from Orbit. I guess they're okay. I don't know what happened to here. Why is it broke so easily after 1 year? So well, let's just go fix it, right? So the idea is I have to fit this 1/2 inch onto here. This is 1/2 inch. I think this is slightly bigger than 1/2 inch. This will not fit, but I think it's really close. So what I'm gonna do, and I tried a 3/4 inch on it. It's actually way too big, obviously, so it will not work. So 1/2 inch, and maybe what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use one of these thermal tubes and with sander head. It's just gonna grind away roughly about a little bit more than that, and then I'll be able to fit it in. I'll do sanding and test fitting throughout, so get a perfect fit, and then I'll put some PVC cement and glue this together and work. I don't have thermal tube thermal tube. What I suggest is I'm just gonna find a piece of sandpaper. It's just gonna sand this to fit it into it and work too. Since I have this, I'm gonna do it. Okay, let me get to it. Okay, so it really didn't take long. I was kind of grinding, sanding, and test fitting, and I think the fitting is actually quite tight, very good. I'm just gonna leave it like that and then use some epoxy them together from here. Okay. Got some of these PVC cement. Looks good actually. I think it's gonna be really tight. Alright, we're gonna come back and let it dry. Come back and to finish assembly everything. Okay, this is completely dry now after an hour, so I'm gonna put this thing back. Okay, well, let's test the system a little bit. Let's put this to auto, manual. If it's working, that you should be able to hear the well. There you go. Turn it off. Yeah. The valve should be just working just fine now. Just have to test and make sure there's no leak in this area here. I think we're okay. Okay guys, so I put everything back together and did a test, and everything seems to be good. So the repair is completed. All in all, it's not a very difficult repair job. Taken me about an hour or something, I guess. I had to run out to buy the parts and waiting for the glue and waiting for the epoxy to dry and stuff. That swivel collar is really taking some time to remove it, but it's not that impossible. So So very simple fix. Hopefully this video can help you guys out in some way. Please subscribe and like. That will really motivate me to make more interesting video for you guys. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.